It's hard not to walk past a flammable cabinet or acid cabinet in a laboratory that doesn't have an odor emanating from the chemical vapors that are built up inside the cabinet. The ChemTrap is a filtering option that attaches to the bung port of safety cabinets intended to remove those lingering hazardous vapors within. Safety cabinets tend to be the highest area for exposure issues as the doors are swung toward the operator's breathing zone, essentially providing a dose of the chemicals within. Integrating the ChemTrap is easy. You will use the factory-installed threaded port and supplied elbows and sleeves. The unit comes completely assembled and plugs into a standard 110 outlet. In this simulation, we have constructed a 45-gallon flammable cabinet out of clear acrylic. This allows us to visually see the buildup of chemical vapors that occur within the flammable cabinet, and more importantly, the release of those vapors into the lab atmosphere and the dosage that occurs to the end user when they're accessing the cabinet. We will now turn on ChemTrap to provide 24/7 filtration of these chemical vapors while inside the cabinet. This will allow us to see how ChemTrap pulls the chemical vapors up into the filter, capturing those chemical vapors through adsorption onto the carbon media, releasing clean air back into the lab atmosphere. This filtration reduces the overall end user exposure and fugitive emissions that are released into the lab when your personnel access these cabinets for the chemicals within their daily procedures. ChemTrap comes completely assembled, ready to install to any flammable or acid cabinet to provide end user safety and reduce the fugitive emissions that are released into a lab when accessing these cabinets.